My name's Cody Longnecker. I run the chem shed here in Mingo.
Brad Wahlert, and I'm the manager of the Mingo location. We'll probably cover 100,000 to 120,000 acres a year with dry, and we'll custom spray 50,000 because we've never had a hot load building or facility like this. We had a 40 by 40 chem shed. Everybody else was kind of hodgepodging it together. We're working with FarmChem, you know, they lined up everything for us. So it turned into kind of a turnkey operation.
We have 13 bulk tanks, and then we have capabilities to have 12 tanks on the shuttle rack. And I have all my products in one shed versus before I had products in 3 sheds. It's all KSI equipment in the whole building. So far it has just been pretty well flawless. We didn't really have a system before, it was all manual. Turn valves on, there was no air valves, nothing. All chemicals were in shuttles, we had to dump them into shuttles.
Before, to fill a shuttle, it was taking us probably 20 minutes to a half hour by the time we weighed it, filled it, weighed it back. Now we can do a shuttle in about 4 minutes.
We have a couple guys switch to hot loading versus taking chemicals out of here. One of the guys in particular, used to take him about 4 days to spray corn and 4 days to spray beans. He did all of his spraying in about 4 days, so it's about twice as fast coming into here and hot loading versus going home, mixing his own loads, going back out to the field himself.
It's all in the efficiency anymore because people are hard to find, and if I can do things with one guy instead of 2 guys, it's a whole lot better.